The Rongjie Space Capsule R9 is 11.5 meters long, 3.2 meters wide, and 3.2 meters high, covering an area of 37 square meters. The smart door lock can be opened with a password. A fingerprint, and facial recognition. The exterior, made of durable aerospace aluminum and insulated glass, provides excellent insulation. The roof features solar panels and a wind power system, allowing for self-sufficient, eco-friendly living. The well-designed home offers a perfect layout with one living room, one bathroom, one bedroom, and a balcony. Compared to the R8 model, R9 is bigger, and it includes a spacious living room, which enhances comfort and versatility. The bedroom includes a super king-size bed, and yet still feels spacious. Look up, there's a skylight, which allows you to fall asleep under the stars. Both bedroom and the living room have independent air conditioning systems, ensuring each room is comfortable. The smart control system allows you to manage the lights and the curtains with simple voice commands like, "Hey, 小爱, open the curtains and turn on the lights." The bathroom is equipped with advanced amenities, including a lighted mirror, which provides you perfect lighting, giving you modern and elegant feeling. The new living room not only increases the space for living, but also increases the flexibility of your living arrangement. Place a sofa for a living room. Place a bed for a bedroom. It's a perfect place for entertainment, leisure, and gatherings for friends and families. Balcony provides you with leisure area. You can enjoy the beautiful outdoor moments here. The Rongjie Space Capsule R9 is not just a living space, it's a model of future living. We invite you to join us and start a new chapter in future living.